guys, this is Naddy from NaddyxAI and this is my first YouTube video. So in my channel actually is about everything AI. We discuss everything which is related to AI and today it is my first video. So I'm going to show you the first thing that most people are talking about in 2025 at the end of 2025. So we are talking about AI agents. Like what is AI agent? AI agents are whether it's voice agent, whether it's automations. These are the things that help us human beings to like make make our life easy for us. So what we are going to do, we are going to first of all create a voice agent for let's say a real estate company. Actually, I have already built a AI receptionist for a real estate company. So I'm going to tell you how you can do it. First of all, you need to come to this website. Okay, now basically this website is called Retell AI, and this is not a promotion basically. So this is Retell AI, which helps you to create AI automations, AI, or you can say AI voice agents for your company or for your clients. You can do that. Now first you need to come to this website, you need to sign up or log in however you want to do. Once that is done, what you have to do is now you need to come over here which says create an AI agent. So you can either create a voice agent or a chat agent if you want, like a chat bot, which you can place on a website or maybe use it on your WhatsApp, wherever you like. So today we are going to create a voice agent. So once you click on voice agent, you will get to see something as some like an interface, something like this. Hold on. Now you'll get to see something like this. Okay, you can name the AI agent from here. I have given the name as AI receptionist for real estate, and this is the whole system prompt which you need to use in order to create the AI agent more efficiently basically. Okay, now I have used some JSON prompts along with like sample call examples and everything. So if you want this prompt, just like this video and share it with your friends, or just comment that you want the prompt and I'll send it to you. I'll send a link to you on your comments or maybe on your DMs if you want, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. So this is the prompt, and from here I'm going to select AI will speak first. Okay, now then there are various options that you can get, like functions, then knowledge base, speech settings, real-time transcription settings, call settings, post-call analysis, security and fallback settings, webhook settings, and MCP. So you can use all of these in all of these settings to like curate your AI agents. So I'm going to show you the first option, which is functions. Over here you can just add in a function. For example, let's say an AI agent, like you want to tell the AI agent that if someone says goodbye or maybe thank you, I'll call you later, or let's say call me back later. So what the AI agent can do, it's like a command to the AI agent that it can just simply hang up the phone at that time. The moment it listens that someone says goodbye, the agent will not waste any more minutes of yours because it's basically costly. So it will just simply hang up the phone. Okay, nothing more than that. Apart from that, you can add a knowledge base to this. Over here you can see you can add a knowledge base. So I'm going to add this realtors knowledge base. Give me a moment. Alright, you can see it's already it's added to this knowledge base. Now what the AI agent will do, whenever it is talking to a customer or to a human being, and if someone asks a question based on the knowledge base, what the agent will do, it will take all the information which is necessary from the knowledge base and like give it over to the customer while talking. So this is one of the best options that you can use. You can either use a URL, you can upload a JSON file, you can upload PDFs or Word documents, whatever you like. You can add some speech settings. Okay, now you can add background sounds to the agent while like so that it can like look like in sound natural. So most of the time what I do is I choose coffee shop, but you can also choose convention hall, some are outdoors, mountain outdoors, static noise, call center and whatnot. So, and responsiveness, when you first of all you get yourself signed up for Retell, the responsiveness is on one, which is fast, but I usually keep it at let's say 85, 0.85, which is more accurate because most of the people talk in that manner. And interruption is also was like when you sign up, so you see the interruption sensitivity, it's always high, so you can adjust it according to your wish. You can also add back channeling, speech normalization, or you can add some pronunciation as well. Like some of the time the AI like it does not pronounces the words correctly. So what you can do, you can train it by giving it your pronunciations, like some files. You can add some files over here. You can see the words and the pronunciation and the phonema, so that it can pronounce accurately. Apart from that, you get real-time transcription. Okay, call settings. You can, like, if someone calls you, like if the AI agent calls someone on a number and the number directly goes to a voicemail, so the AI agent will not leave, like it you can give it a command that it can leave a voice message on behalf of your company, or it can just simply hang up the phone and call back or follow up later. Okay, there's a timeout, termination key, digit limit. You can set the timer when you sign up with Retell, so you will get to see that this is to the max. Okay, like about 10 hours or so. And apart from that, the call duration is also at the max, so adjust it according to you. Most of the time it like the AI agent will talk to a customer and satisfy the customer in about 10 minutes. So that's it. And the ring duration as well. If like if the agent is calling someone and the ring goes by 30 seconds, so the agent will not wait. It can just simply terminate the call, or it can just simply transfer the call. Okay. Apart from that, you get post call analysis, security fallbacks, then other stuff. You can use external webhooks as well. You can connect it with your automations, for example n10 or maybe make.com. You can just connect it directly using a webhook URL. Apart from that, there's a beautiful option which says MCP. You can also use your LL models directly by connecting it to Retell. Now I've already tested this AI model of mine. I'll just give you a demo, okay, on how it has worked. Now you can use different models from here, which is ChatGPT 5 and all the other stuff like Claude 4.5 Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can also select a whole bunch of voices from their voice library, which is more efficient. I usually go with the American accent, which my clients like. So, and you can also choose this, like a lot of languages as well. Like most probably you might choose English in India. You can also choose Hindi and all the other stuff. All right, Tamil, Urdu, Nepali, whatnot, Kannada, all to all my Bangalore viewers. Now I'm gonna show you conversation that I had with this AI agent. I had a conversation with this AI agent for near about 3 minutes. Okay, and just listen to the conversation and then we'll move along.
Hello, thank you for calling Vaishnav Motors, your trusted destination for buying and selling pre-owned cars. How can I help you today?
I want to buy a Kia.
Sorry, this like this conversation is for a motor company, and this is like an AI receptionist which I made for the motor company, like an AI receptionist which can handle calls, reschedule appointments. It can also like ask the customer for coming in and visiting their shop or maybe showrooms, and along with that it can also like ask for follow-ups and give you details about the car or whatever the product is. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to listen to this conversation first.
Sonnet car. So is it available?
Thank you for your interest in the Kia Sonnet. May I please have your name and your preferred budget range for the car? I'll quickly check the availability and note your requirements for our sales team. Also, would you like to visit our showroom or get a call back from our sales expert with more details?
My name is Nadi. My budget is about 10 lakh rupees. So can you suggest me some cars which are in my budget?
Thank you, Nadi. I've noted your budget of around 10 lakh rupees. Currently, we have a variety of pre-owned cars in your budget, including options from brands like Hyundai, Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Tata, and more. While the Kia Sonet is a popular choice, I'll need to confirm its current availability for you. In the meantime, I can also suggest similar models such as the Hyundai Creta, Nissan Magnite, and Tata Tiago XZ Plus, which are available and fit within your budget. Would you prefer to visit our showroom to see these cars in person, or would you like a call back from our sales expert with detailed options and availability?
Can you give me some information about Hyundai Creta? Like how many kilometers is it driven? What is the fuel type and the number of owners and the color of the cars? Everything.
Of course, Nadi. Here's a quick overview of the Hyundai Creta options we typically have in stock. Model years, usually between 2017 and 2023. Kilometers driven ranges from about 13,000 kilometers to 76,000 kilometers, depending on the specific car. Fuel type, both petrol and diesel variants are available. Transmission, options for both manual and automatic. Number of owners. Most cars are single owner, but I can confirm the exact details for any specific car you're interested in. Colors. Common colors include white, silver, gray, and black. Since our inventory changes frequently, I recommend either visiting our showroom to see the available Hyundai Creta models in person, or letting our sales expert call you back with the latest details, including photos and exact specifications. Would you like to schedule a visit, or should I arrange a callback for you?
Sure, schedule a visit for me and just let me know when can I come by.
Thank you, Nadi. Our showroom is located at 3 from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day except Sunday. You can visit us any day that suits you, except Sunday. Would you prefer to come in the morning or afternoon? Let me know your preferred date and time, and I'll reserve an appointment for you.
Make it 2 o'clock.
Great, Nadi. I've scheduled your visit for 2 p.m. Our team will be ready to assist you and show you the available Hyundai Creta and other options within your budget. Thank you for choosing Vaishnu Motors. Have a wonderful day.
So yeah, this is the agent that I built. It has performed really very well. Now on the screen, if you can see that I have asked some questions related to the knowledge base that was given to this agent. Now as you can see, the agent always took the information from the knowledge base and handed it over to me while talking live. So this is what AI agents do. Okay, they are trained in such a manner that they can just simply take all the information and give it to you. Now like on this, I really love this AI tool. Basically it gives the transcripts, it gives you the call recordings, it gives you all the information. For example, how many tokens were used while using this AI tool. Apart from that, it gives you the cost, duration, time, caller ID, everything. So this is one heck of a AI tool, and I've been using it for a long time. This is a trial version that I have created for just testing it out on YouTube, so that you guys can see and you guys can learn. So yeah, this is what you can do. Now if you want any help or any guide to create these kind of agents, you know where you need to go. Follow me on subscribe on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram. The link will be at the bottom of the description. Follow me on Instagram, and then if you need any help, DM me on Instagram, and I'll help you with that. So for the time being, I hope that this video was useful to you, and you will start creating your own AI agents soon. So see you in the next one.